Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to unmute your computer on Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. First of all, find a speaker icon on a keyboard on a top row that's called function keys. Find here and unmute your computer from keyboard. And second thing, you should be checked. Click on this speaker icon and you can unmute your volume from here. And you can increase or reduce volume from here also. If your problem persists, then go into setting for audio troubleshooting. Click on Windows 11 icon and search here settings. Click on this gear settings icon. On this window, you will find here system option. Click on system tab. On the right side, you will find here troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot. On this screen, you will find here other troubleshooters. Click on other troubleshooters. Find here audio option. You can find also in the button section, but you can see audio section is here. Now click on run button. This troubleshooter software will automatically detect your problem and resolve your issue. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.